This RE/MAX Select Property video is presented by Tracy Wisnett. Fallston area find. This home boasts an open and versatile floor plan perfect for modern living. Inside you will find beautiful hardwood flooring throughout much of the main level, offering both elegance and easy maintenance. The inviting family room features a stunning rock fireplace, creating a warm and cozy atmosphere. The new kitchen is dream, with sleek granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a spacious center island, ideal for cooking and entertaining. The large primary suite provides a serene retreat, complete with a newly updated bath and 3 closets for plenty of storage. Bathroom 2 is also beautifully renovated, featuring a new soaker tub, shower, and double vanity for added convenience. The unfinished basement offers abundant potential. Bring your vision to life and create the perfect additional living space, home gym, or entertainment area. Outside, you'll appreciate the double detached carport for covered parking, as well as a separate storage building for extra space and organization. This property offers the ideal blend of comfort, style, and potential in a prime location. Don't miss your chance to make this gem your own. For more information,